Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to T-Less Content Adventures. We're here with another install for the Tahoe. We're going to be replacing, boom, that guy right there, bump stop, with these new bump stops. I will put the link in the description. So tools you're going to need: long flathead screwdriver, and I'm using a 3/8 ratchet just to pop it in. Let's get to work on this guy, huh? So basically all you're going to be doing is getting the flathead, prying it in there, and trying to pry it out. I'm doing this with my rim on. You probably could use both hands too to take this off. These are original ones. You can see they're pretty. Look at that. Coming out just like that. So there it is. Came out. So look at that compared to the new one. All cracked. New one's super solid. Yeah, so we're gonna get the new one. You'll see little grooves in there. I'll put it at an angle first. Then you're gonna try to force it in. And then we're gonna use that 3/8. And we are gonna pry it in. Try the back side first. And just get that 3/8. Two-hand job to do this. There we go. You'll hear it pop in too. There we go. Just make sure it's completely in by with this 3/8. It'll go in, trust me. There you go. It is seated. You can see the little clip or the little grooves on the side, basically showing that it'll stay in there. Makes it a stink noise too when they go in. And then you can fill it around, make sure it's in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and show you the front side. Again, this is for the rear Tahoe, Suburban Yukon, as well as Escalade rear bump stops. Okay guys, here is the front of the bump stop. You'll see right here, I replaced my front ones. Super easy to do. These weren't bad actually, but I ordered the 4-pack. It was actually cheaper to order them compared to just ordering the 2, so I might as well replace them all. Again, you're gonna get your flathead screwdriver for the front, same process to the back. Just stick that in there and pry, it'll pop right out. Then your new one's gonna literally slide right in and it'll pop right in.